Prime Minister Erdogan continues to fight corruption allegations. The investigation is already hurting its economy, but he has been successful in keeping the economy going over the past 11 years. Natalie Carney reports.
Not the way any politician wants to ring in the new year. In his end-of-year address, the Prime Minister urged all Turks to support him in fighting what he terms a dirty plot by foreign-backed elements to destabilize the country. Meanwhile, police continue to investigate allegations of illicit money transfers to Iran and bribery for construction projects by some of Recep Tayyip Erdogan's closest men. As mass protests continue on the streets of Istanbul and other major Turkish cities, investors look on.
These statements are destructive for the economy. Export and production cannot be done. I do not have any expectations from the economy.
Yet Turkey's Deputy Prime Minister Bülent Arınç says the scandal has cost the economy $100 billion so far.
Turkey's dependence on borrowed foreign funds, as well as the size of its current account deficit, already make for a rather vulnerable economy. Now add to that this current corruption probe, and the risks heighten.
Turkey must finance $5 billion a month to pay for its nearly $60 billion current account deficit.
At the same time, we have net borrowing from corporate sector, private sector of $160 billion. This is also financing from abroad and from capital from Europe, United States, of Japan, from Asia. It's normal that if there's an uncertainty in Turkey, maybe the foreign capital can slow.
Investors are pulling out. The Istanbul Stock Exchange closed the year down around 14%, making it one of the worst 10 performers in the world. Meanwhile, the Turkish lira continues to hit record lows, losing about 17% against the dollar in 2013, placing more stress on the country's already high inflation. All this is not likely to play out well for Erdogan as he seeks a fourth term in office. Turkey has local and presidential elections this year, with parliamentary elections in 2015. Yet some economists see the current slowdown as temporary.
In long term, we have still a political stability. We will have a growth in Turkey. But in short term, of course, maybe some investor or some funds can wait before coming to Turkey.
Erdogan still enjoys popular support among many Muslims and the wealthy elite, but this corruption scandal and its pressure on an already vulnerable economy is proving his most challenging opponent yet. Natalie Carney, CCTV, Istanbul, Turkey.